to Pakistan would mean, what is that? Then government of India, are you supreme to government of India? No, you are doing business only in India. They got to give you license to do that when they are saying that export to any or export of onion to any country when it is banned. So the object class will have no meaning at all. So the provisions of the Companies Act, either by Act itself or through amendment before or after the commencement of the Act, will have overriding effect on your memorandum of association or articles of association. Any provision in MOA or AOA or agreement or resolution that conflicts with the Act is void to the extent of conflict. Example, Section 123 prohibits dividend except from profits. No article can override this. Any attempt will be considered as void. So this is more of academic in nature. I will explain what is dividend paid out of capital, and here they are saying dividend is except from profits. What is that? I will explain it later, but this is more technical, whereas I have just given you a very simple example about export and all that. Because today, exporting is considered to be a matter of pride. But what is happening when India itself is facing some shortage of food on a particular sector where the price is soaring very high? If you are securing that and exporting it to our enemy country, then you are creating a shortage. And when government knows that such an act is being carried out, they can put a ban on that. So you can, no company can just do such export. Would mean you can't be quoting, citing that my object class is supreme and all that. So you can't fight with the government that way. You got to fall in line with the government. Savings class, section 6 begins with save as otherwise, meaning if any other section of the act expressly makes MOA and AOA superior, those provisions will provide. That means overriding clause will always be there. What do you mean by that? There will be a particular class will be there, and it will have a supreme effect than anywhere of that particular act. See, this comes not only in Companies Act, but in all places. Wherever you have a law, there will always be one particular place. There will always be a sweeping sections that you will be having. Say, I will give you classic case from our general practice. What is that? In good olden days, where transport was not considered to be a very, I'm talking about some 150 years, 200 years back. Say, people have considered that going to Kashi and taking a dip in the river Ganges is considered to be a holy thing that a person need to do once